Not bad. This one beer.
Probably the best beer in the world.
Yeah. One more burger house. See? This is the much also space here. Here good one. No?
Huh?
Here better location.
Yeah.
Cold.
Cool, very nice place. I don't know why they took it, because they took there because of the entrance. But here also there is
This
entrance.
one better here.
There is entrance also.
Baskin Robin.
Waluka Burger. Hello, my name is Waluka Burger.
She Burger. She Burger. I think this one is She Burger. I don't know if this one in I saw this one in Nas Garden. Nas Sport. You see the kiosk of Assis?
Ashish?
Yeah.
Which one?
Almost same like this.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
Fourth.
Yeah. Hello. Hi, join. Burger.
You wanna eat burger?
Yeah, we're gonna go get some rocks. Don't be taking our ideas. You need permission to.
Sorry, madam. We have coffee, no problem.
You need permission.
I have coffee.
Coffee? I
Yeah.
want coffee.
Coffee.
Me too. You want tequila? I want tequila.
Tequila, no. Only sanitizer, madam. Sanitizer and water.
Let's go get some rocks. Hold on, Tessa. Where are you going? Some rocks.
Rocks?
May kape ka, sir? May kape kaya? May kape kami doon. Doon. Ayun, yung orange. Orange doon. Katabi ng barakat. Katabi ng, hindi. Katabi ng barakat. Yung orange doon.
Sarap. Hindi pa sila ka
Tara, punta kayo. This area when it's sun already down, you cannot see our us like this time only. But I think it will be cold here in the evening, huh?
Yeah, it will be cold.
Oh, so you have the